Hello. Come on. Touch something, okay? He's not in good mood today.
Mad today.
Are you mad?
Hello.
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 Scarf you want
Ruby. Ruby.
Yeah, my shop is one of this one.
You want your finger?
No.
Yeah, I'm good.
Finger inside.
No,
I appreciate it.
You go.
Hello.
Okay.
Go.
Hi, Ruby Rube. She'll bite your finger off.
It's old.
No.
Yeah.
No, wait.
She's 4.
4.
Mamma, så visst den massa vad
See the wood? The wood used to be like this big around.
Really?
Yeah. Ruby. Come here. You want to attack him and bite him? Oh, baby. Romeo?
Uh-huh.
She bites through that.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you give her one?
No, don't bite me. Oh, she's
Oh.
mad. Come here. Hi.
Mycket massa på det.
It's big.
Nice. Jag kan få det där.
Oh boy! Throw it. Attaboy! Oh! Oh! Oh boy! There we go!
Go!
Uh-oh!
Cool.
There, shake this. Shake it. Come here. Oh, you... No, you gotta shake it. She undoes this in about... She wants your phone.
No, please. Stop.
No! Get down, Ruby. Get him. Yeah, I know. I'm doing something bad that you don't like.